Hello everyone. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to troubleshoot Capcut not opening on your PC. Let's dive in. First, try restarting your device if you haven't already done so. If the issue persists, the next step is to clear your computer's temporary files. You can do this by typing temp in your Start menu and deleting all files from the temporary folder. Once completed, attempt to open the Capcut application again to see if it resolves the issue. If not, ensure you have a stable internet connection. If your internet is stable, visit Capcut.com in your web browser and download the latest version of the Capcut application. Alternatively, you can check for updates within the Capcut application itself. If you've already updated the application and the problem persists, consider reinstalling the previous version of Capcut to see if that resolves the issue. If none of these steps work, reach out to Capcut customer support for further assistance. And that's how you troubleshoot Capcut not opening on your PC. Thanks for watching.